Okay, so if you've made it correctly, it should look like this. From this point, what you're going to do is delete your reference box, and then modify, rotate, hold shift, and rotate it counterclockwise, or rotate it negative 90 degrees, because now you have that 90-degree angle. You delete most of your polygons by doing this, which is why I chose a high number. So now you have 10 here. 40, I guess, wasn't necessary, but it's what makes the curve look better. Now, what you're going to do here is select vertex mode. Highlight this bottom line here. Submesh, modify submesh, extrude. Turn off your x-axis, turn on selected mode, and drag it down once and twice. This one right here is what you need when you're converting a straight line and making it into a curve, or else the reflection won't look as good. This is what I was talking about on my chamfer tutorial. And now just adjust it according to length, however you want it. Then calculate normals, because when you move polygons around like this, you can notice a change in the surface normals. If you're wondering how to make the inside, all you have to do is create, copy, go into your sub menu, and select none, so that it doesn't move around or rotate or anything. And click once. Then modify, flip. There you go. There's your inside. And that's how you make a turnout pipe. This has been the only decent way of modeling this type of style, since it has a strange shape to it. Now, I have other pipes in mind I want to show you. Making a standard straight miter cut pipe, all you have to do is make a cylinder. Well, use top view. I'm going to make mine 20 this time, because you don't really need that many for this. Select this inside vertex, and that deletes the caps. This is actually a very easy. It's the easiest method, besides making the curve for it to lead into the engine. Next, what you're going to do is select this top piece, do FFD again, and select this one here and move it straight up to whatever your judgment says, and delete it, and create copy and flip. Very simple. This next one is actually easier to do than the turnout, but this is one of those custom, whatever ones they have on custom trucks. Make a circle just a little bit smaller than the outside one. Select about 20 and 20 on second thought. $40 and $20. Actually, try this again. 40 and 40. Again, delete 3/4 of it, and then rotate 45 degrees again. When you're doing this without selecting an object, keep selected mode off. Go into vertex mode, select this half and delete it. Then take this, mesh, extrude, turn off Y, extrude once and twice. Keep this selected and turn on FFD. Click once, go into object mode, go into this view. Oh wait, one more thing. Can't forget your reference box. By the way, those random images popping up, I don't know why it does that. I've been trying to figure that out for a while. But anyway, off topic. Rotate 45 degrees. And put it in there like that. Select manipulator mode. And also, by the way, sorry if I'm going too fast. I'm kind of trying to rush this or something. But but since you have the ability to pause the video over and over again and replay it, I don't think it really matters. But anyway, same thing as the turnout pipes. Move it into place like that. If you want to move it to a certain length, I like it kind of short. And make sure to delete it and delete reference box. Then rotate it counterclockwise or negative 45. Like this. Select the bottom. Submesh, extrude once. Oh, this is why you can only have one axis on when you're doing this, because then it goes all over the place. So you want to drag it down once and twice, same as before. Calculate normals. Create copy, none. And flip. There's your other exhaust pipe. Now, when you make these and you try to put them on your truck, they will be probably over huge or over small. It just depends on how well you zoom in or out. But when you put them on your truck, you're going to have to scale them down. When you're scaling them, I'm just going to make note of this now. I see this a lot with people putting pipes on their trucks, especially this type. They wind up blowing out of proportion because look what they do. They scale them down like this, so now they're all flat, and then they go like, oh, well I can just do it like this then. And then it looks all retarded looking and stuff. So to prevent that, to keep all your proportions correct, hold shift when you scale. It scales on all axes. Oh wait. Scale down. It does it on all axes. Simple as that. This has been a tutorial by me, obviously. Happy modding, and I hope you find great success in this. Thank you for watching this video.